In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy effects from objects in Figma. If you've ever perfected the look of a button, card, or icon with just the right fill, stroke, drop, shadow, or blur and wished you could reuse that exact styling elsewhere, this walkthrough is for you. Copying effects in Figma keeps your design consistent and saves a lot of time. Without changing the underlying content, start by opening your design. Make sure you are on the correct file and page. And position your view so you can easily see both the object that has the styling you want and the objects you plan to update. This makes it simple to confirm what you are copying and where it's going. The recommended method is copy or paste properties. This copies all styling, including effects, fills, and strokes. In one step, first, select the object with the look you want. Right-click it. Choose Copy or Paste As. And then click Copy Properties. Next, select the target object or objects that should receive the same styling. Right-click. Choose Copy or Paste As, and click Paste Properties. Instantly, those targets will adopt the source object's visual styling. This is appearance only, so it won't change text content, layer names, or the size and position of your elements. It's perfect for unifying buttons, cards, vector shapes, frames, or text layers across a layout. If you select multiple targets before pasting, they'll all update at once, which is great when you are standardizing a set of icons or list items. If something doesn't look right, you can undo immediately and refine your selection. You can do the same thing even faster with keyboard shortcuts. With the styled source object selected, press Option plus Command plus C on Mac or Control plus Alt plus C on Windows. To copy properties, then select your target object or objects. Press Option plus Command plus V on Mac or Control plus Alt plus V on Windows. To paste properties, if you don't see a change, double-check that you've actively selected the targets before pasting. And remember, you can always use Command-Z or Control-Z to undo. Shortcuts are ideal when you are updating a lot of elements in quick succession. A few practical tips as you work. Pasting properties will apply whatever the source has. So if the source includes a stroke or an effect like an inner shadow, those will be added to the target. For precise control, paste to a small selection rather than the whole canvas. This approach keeps your UI clean and consistent while preserving structure. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.